umpisa't umpisa pa lang, pagka-upo pa lang sa gabinete, sa administrasyon, yung mga hindi belong, naramdaman naman namin lahat na hindi kami belong. Na mayroong ibang gumagalaw dito. That may considerations dito that were apart from the considerations na we were all one team. Hindi pala totoo yon. And kaya the moment right after inauguration, alam na namin there really is no unity. Kumbaga, ginawa nila kung anong kailangan gawin nila para manalo. So, kumbaga, real talk lang. So, shortly after that, naramdaman na rin namin lahat. Si VP Inday, I think, was the last kasi good faith naman ang pagpasok niya. Yun po yung observation ko. Nung pumasok siya, she really was committed to be part of the team. Lahat naman yata kami. We were all committed to be part of the team. Pero may mga paramdam talaga na at some point marirealize mo na